Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore credit card balance transfers in Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore credit card balance transfers in Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Navigate to the credit card section on the home page. Select the credit card you wish to transfer a balance to. Look for the balance transfer option on your cards page. Click on it to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter the details of the balance transfer. Fill in the account information for the credit card from which you want to transfer the balance. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the balance transfer fee information, as it may apply. Select a payment method for the balance transfer. Confirm that all provided information is accurate. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions related to the balance transfer. After verifying everything, click on the Submit button to complete the transfer. Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Monitor your accounts to ensure the balance transfer is processed and the previous balance is updated. If you encounter any issues, contact Bank of America customer service for assistance. Keep track of your payment deadlines to avoid any late fees. This will help you maintain a good credit standing while managing your balance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.